welcome to my channel. I am Srishty, currently a BBA student and an aspiring YouTuber. And in this video, I will share all my tried and tested strategies that will help you not only pass your exam but excel in your exams and become a topper. For your reference, I scored 95.2% in class 10th and 97% in class 12th. So let's just get started. The best way to know or almost guess the questions that are going to come in your exams are the previous year papers and especially the officially released sample paper. Now the catch here is that you don't need to go overboard. Don't go and assess last 15 or 20 years paper because the board exam pattern has changed a lot in the recent years. So my suggestion would be to go to the last 5 to 6 years, and if you really want to step ahead, do last 10 years. I think that would be more than enough. Now you need to notice 3 things. Number 1, the pattern of the question. Number 2, the distribution of the marks in the LAQs. And number 3, most frequently asked topics. Focus more on your standard textbooks, that is your NCERT books. I've seen students carrying these heavy guide and whatever reference books that they use, but the questions end up coming from the NCERT. So the one who has good knowledge and a good hold on their NCERT concepts, the information, everything, is the one who will score good. Don't prepare for pre-board as if you need to score good. Prepare for pre-board as if you need to write more good quality answers. That means even if you prepare 2 chapters for the pre-board, prepare it to the core. Since board exams still have a lot of time, you can prepare the rest chapter later. Now if you are seeing this video quite late, I have got all of you covered. Don't worry, just watch till the end. It varies for different students, so you need to know what is your writing speed, and the best way to know it is to assess it in your pre-board exams. And if you are late, then you can use your official sample paper and write it as if it is your final exam. It's the exact length of paper that is going to come, so this is the best way, especially in literature subjects. Terms and conditions applied. It's a simple formula. If you know the answer, keep it short and crisp. If you don't know the exact answer, write whatever you think can get you marks. You need to follow the word limits because it represents a good student's answer and will also save your time. Sometimes we have some great points in mind, but we fail to write them in order and create chaos. To avoid all such situations, you should make a rough draft with a pencil. You can use the last page of your answer sheet or the page lateral to the margins. You may think that this will consume a lot of time, but what is happening is that you are increasing your thinking time but decreasing your writing time. So maintaining the overall balance. So you are maintaining the overall timing with an orderly written answer. No, not during the exams, but before it. Download the toppers answer sheets from the internet and have a look. And carefully analyze everything. The length of their answers, how many diagrams they have made, their handwriting, their paper representation skills, the order they have written the answers, and most especially the marks that they have got. Take inspiration and adapt. Your school teachers are the board exam paper checkers. That means you have personal mentors. Approach them with your pre-board answer sheet and ask them, how can you improve? Should I improve my handwriting? Should I leave more space? Is the length too short? Is my language appropriate? Ask them and improve. And that's how you reach close to perfection. I have said this a lot many times in my previous videos that paper representation is very important. I'll make a whole separate video on that. But if this video has helped you, please do like and subscribe because that really helps me. It's very difficult to cover everything in a single video, so I have made a whole playlist, Board Exams Made Easy. So if you want to have a more cohesive experience, do check it out here. And I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, keep acing perfection.